Hi guys, this is Kat. Well, this is not Kat. This is my friend Patti. Patti, my friend here, she's gonna cook us some lobster, fresh lobster. Okay, okay. Patti, what are you gonna do?
Well, I don't really like lobster.
Me neither. I prefer shrimp or prawn.
Yes, but we're gonna steam this, and then my friend Kathy's gonna make us some sauce, and we're gonna try to do it like more like a Lao style.
Oh gosh,
so
she put me on spot.
It's actually really a good size lobster.
This is a lobster. This is not a shrimp.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna try this.
Yeah.
And we will bring you on. And this, we got the waters ready.
Yeah. We're gonna steam it.
We're gonna put this on. That's how we steam them.
Yeah.
And I think they said 18 minutes, right? Or less. 15 probably perfect.
How many pounds is that? It depends on the pounds, I think.
I think this is gonna be a pound and a half.
Pound and a half.
So it would be probably we should, for the safe side, we will do this about at least 15 minutes, like a medium rare.
Medium rare. I didn't know you could eat lobster medium rare, but okay. My friend said 15 minutes, so we'll come back. Okay, guys, while the lobster is cooking, this is what you need. While it's still cooking.
Yes.
Grab yourself a beer.
And then you wait.
And wait.
And you know what? The best
15 minutes, you can drink a lot of beers while you're still waiting for the lobster to cook.
Some dumb, Thai dumb.
But you know what?
It tastes better that way.
Yeah. But you know what? Some of the best cook are the one who's drunk.
Yes. A lot of my recipe is because I was drunk. Okay.
And the one who's not good means she's not drunk.
I'm not drunk, so yeah. The one that I'm not drunk, I didn't add MSG.
Yeah. And this what you do, you pour a little bit
Yes.
onto the water.
Yes.
On top of it.
Yes.
Like
That's
this?
the secret, guys. Like, you gotta put some little
that.
beer in there. You don't need lemongrass. You don't need all this herbs and beer. Any kind of beer. Cheap beer, but, well, actually, this is not cheap.
That's why I
It's
only
good
put
beer.
Like a little bit because it's expensive.
If it was Coors Light, I think she'll put a whole can, but cheap beer, okay? So that's what we do while we wait for Nick. What you got? Has nothing to do with my video, but okay. What you got?
Kimchi.
Kimchi.
You put it in the lobster. You open it up.
What are we gonna do? You put it with or after? No, please don't put that in.
While we wait on it, this is all clean up.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
This is crab. This is
Yeah.
Dungeness crab,
But-
fresh caught,
I don't
steamed.
like. I don't like.
She threw the best part away. My best buddy here threw the best part away. I'm not happy with her right now because she threw the best part away. This is what you're left with if you like crab. You guys, I love the shit. I mean, the crab shit. Come on, where is it, Patti?
I don't eat shit, so I throw it.
She threw it away. So, see, I can't even show you how I cook the crab shit. This is, yeah, we're stuck with this.
Yes.
Okay? But it goes good with what we're... Oh, look, they got it going on.
Yeah.
They got it going on while we wait for our lobster.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay.
Eat it.
Okay, this
Yin
people...
I can too.
Who's Yang?
It's Neng can cook. You can
Neng
do
can
it.
cook. And who's this guy? Okay. So, see? They're eating the part that I don't even care for because my friend Patti here threw away the best part. So they're eating the part that I don't really care for. And how you eat it, guys? How you guys eating it?
We crack it.
Crack it.
Pull the meat out.
Yeah, and dip it
Look
in
at
what?
that. Look at that. Look at
You
that.
dip in pepper
Cheese.
and butter too. Butter and pepper sauce. Yeah. Try it, guys. Try it. I don't know what they're talking about because I only like the shit and she don't have the shit.
I did the wrong way. I supposed to go butter and hot sauce.
Yeah.
Delicious.
See? Delicious? This guys, if you don't know who this guy is, this is my husband. Hi, say hi, love.
Hello.
Hello. That's my best friend. My best friend's husband here.
Brother.
Oh, my best friend and brother because my dad adopted him. So now I'm his sister.
I'm the lost son.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Shut up. And this is how we eat crab without the shit.
I mean, I don't know why I got like.
Hello.
Just because I throw the shit away.
The shit is the best part, Patty. The shit is the best part. I don't even know how to eat this. It doesn't have the shit. It doesn't have MSG, so I don't know how to eat this. Serious, guys. Okay.
This is American style.
Why? Honey, don't say that. You're on video. Now my American video viewers are gonna say, "What are you talking about?"
Lao
dog?"
style.
Lao style, Thai style, Chinese style. That's how they eat it. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know what style I am, but I eat the shit, and the shit is not here, so I'm not eating it. I'm just watching them. Like it looks good.
Thank you.
It looks good, but I'm not eating.
Cheese first. And
Cheese? You get cheese?
Oh, not cheese.
My brother is drunk. By the way, guys, please don't take this heartily. Heartily, how do they say it? Don't take it too hard. Don't get too hard.
Don't take to the heart.
We-
Don't take it too seriously.
Don't get too seriously. We're kind of
Don't take to
buzzed.
the heart.
Yeah, don't
you
take
have
it.
a problem, you talk to me.
Yeah, my brother. Talk to him. Yeah. But yeah, this is how we eat it. And we are human. We're real people. Real people, that's how we are.
No,
We're-
this is a survivor.
yeah.
Survivor.
So,
you don't eat.
yeah.
Yeah, you don't eat shit. You don't survive.
That's why I'm telling you. I can't survive because you don't have shit for me. So I'm watching you guys eat.
You don't want some shit
You-
because I have a crab still.
You guys survive. And I
Where's the
die
shit?
because I don't have the shit.
Where's the shit?
Yeah.
Shit, man, I'm gonna do that shit.
Oh, my Patty's going to bring me shit. I will wait till I
Okay,
get the
1 minute
shit.
left on the lobster.
Is it 1 minute left? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Keep
Why
eating,
not?
guys.
I think it's frozen before, so it's
Yeah.
probably taking a bit longer though.
No, that's fresh.
Holy crap.
Holy crap. Okay, cut. Okay. My sister, buddy, Patti, she got all this to make our sauce to go with our lobster.
So we got butter,
Butter,
ginger,
ginger,
but I love fresh ginger
ginger
leaves.
leaf.
So,
Optional. You will not find that anywhere unless you grow it.
yep.
Yeah.
So this is fresh ginger leaf.
Yeah.
And we got onion.
That's
And,
wait, what's
shallot?
Shallots, yes.
Yeah. And I like
Pineapple.
pineapple. You will not taste it, but it get a little sweet, a little kick. And then one lime,
Lime,
cilantro,
cilantro.
and Thai pepper.
Thai pepper, guys. I'm sorry, I have to put
Thai
Thai.
Lao, not Thai only. Thai Lao.
Thai Lao, Chinese.
Cajun pepper.
Yes.
Oh no, that's not Mexican pepper.
Yeah.
For sure.
Right here, I'm only
Southeast
put
Asian
5, but I actually gonna put 20
Yes.
because we like it.
For our
spicy.
viewers, we say 5, but my sister
Yeah,
here will
it's
put
optional.
20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then garlic,
Garlic.
and then cilantro.
Yes.
But the main ingredient is
Butter.
yes for our lobster.
Butter.
Yeah.
I have
And
butter.
our lobster just cooked.
It's done. Yeah, see?
and they look like that.
Yeah.
So
Only good friend can get to eat.
yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a sauce, and then we're gonna try it out and see how it is.
I don't
Yes.
care about you guys complaining or not, but
You guys, I'm very privileged because she works for the fish market, so we get fresh everything. That's fresh lobster, actually.
Yeah.
My brother don't know jack shit. He thought it was frozen. My sister went to
you're not my
the.
friend, you don't get to eat.
My sister went to work this morning and it's
Yes.
fresh. Okay, that's
I
fresh.
went to the ocean and
Yeah,
harvested.
yeah, that's fresh lobster. Okay, why they enjoy their like crab without shit right there. I'm gonna wait until I get my lobster with this sauce that my sister's gonna make for us. Okay, Patty?
Yes.
You got it?
I got it.
Okay.
Okay, we'll show them.
Okay, we'll show you. Stay tuned.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
with the ingredient earlier, I add fish sauce,
Fish sauce.
and then
MSG.
it's
Team
optional.
MSG.
Okay, you
No,
don't
it's not
have to.
optional.
If you don't like MSG, you can use
Sugar? But it won't taste the same.
Yeah, or sometimes I will use
Or
this. And they say this don't have MSG. You know what? All it is just MSG.
Yeah.
In disguise. Put a chicken in front of it and you can sell it. So that's what I put.
Yeah.
I put like 1 teaspoon and maybe...
That's that teaspoon or tablespoon?
This is like almost like a half tablespoon.
No,
I put a quarter of this, but then I'm going to add...
So that makes it 1 full tablespoon.
I'm going to add this to it because it does add...
Make a difference,
The sauce are really a little bit more thicker and...
the flavor
changed a lot. So if you add
without that or MSG, it's gonna taste different.
Yeah. So optional, depending on how you grow up.
Yeah.
I grew up eating like
bags and bags of it.
And I still have hair.
Yes, she's still have hair.
I'm in my 50s, still have hair.
Yeah.
So don't be scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay. We got a butter that is already
melted
in the microwave. Oops.
Ooh.
So that's
very full.
Yeah, I added that to it, and then we could.
And if you're afraid of fat, I don't know substitute for that.
No, this is.
I cannot believe it's butter. If you want fat, I cannot believe it's butter. Use that, okay? I'm not much of a fan for butter, so.
But she can't believe it.
Yeah, I can believe it.
So there it goes, folks.
Yeah, so we're gonna blend this. And out of my house, the most utensil I use a lot is this.
I love the chopper.
Yeah, and my
rice cooker.
That's the only two that I use.
Asian homes gotta be the rice cooker and the mini chopper.
Yeah,
I do tend to agree. This is the most used item in my kitchen as well.
Yes. Sometimes I don't cook rice, but I use this to make pepper because I can just eat peppers.
What is you have? Is this a ninja?
This is a ninja.
She has a ninja.
So,
I have the. What do I have at home, honey?
Well, you have a couple of different.
I'm ninja. I have the other one, but today it's just ninja.
Today's ninja. See, ninja does the job. Yeah. Just blend it all up. Yeah.
Just blend it up.
Yeah. Look at it, my brother don't know what's going on. Do you know what's going on?
I don't know. That thing is a ninja.
I don't know, but it says ninja right here. See, ninja.
Ninja's give is a little kick, right? Okay. This is our steamed lobster. We're gonna cut it.
When you get fresh steamed lobster, it has not been cut. So what you need to do is just get a scissor and cut it like that. Because in a restaurant, or if you bought it frozen, it came in cut like this. I normally cut them before I steam, but today
we're live.
We're
a little drunk and we're hungry, and she just kind of.
So it's just a ways that you can just open it up like that. So
look at it.
Cut on the bottom so you can open it.
Brother, you don't know how to cook. You shut up.
Hey, that's how we cut the women.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna try it, and we're either gonna approve or not. But
that's how we crack the woman.
You either eat or not, right? Oh my God, let's go to my video, guys. I'm gonna be. What is this, honey?
Lobster.
What is it?
Lobster.
Lobster. Lobster. Look at the sauce.
Sauce. Butter, cilantro, and then whatever you want in there.
Pineapple. I don't know what she mentioned earlier, but everything's in there. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good.
The pineapple, I learned it from one of my my Vietnamese friend that you cannot taste it, but it gets a little kick to it, and it actually does get.
Yeah, it enhances the flavor of the sauce, I think.
Yeah. Try it.
But look at this.
Now we gotta try it. Yeah.
Burn it.
Yeah.
Try it.
Open the lobster.
It's open. You just have to know how to eat it.
No.
Look, you just have to eat it. Burn it.
Yeah. It's not open yet.
No, cut it.
Yeah, open it.
Cut it.
Yeah. See? It's not open yet.
How many pounds is this lobster, Patty?
She's saying about 1.5.
1.5 pounds each.
Oh, it's a big.
Just the tail itself is a 1.5
big
pound.
lobster.
It's a big lobster.
Yeah.
This is, I cook this one only special for my family.
Yeah, I'm his sister, so I'm family. Yeah, I get to eat this.
I'm sorry, I threw the shit away too.
She threw the good stuff away, so I'm stuck with just this.
I just got that.
If you don't
know how to cut, let me cut it.
Yeah, it's
Cut sideways.
It's a huge. We say 15 minutes. The reason why because it's a huge lobster, guys.
Yeah, that's good, right?
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah,
perfect cook.
You know, yeah, my wife doesn't know how to cook. That's
we're gonna do it.
Your wife is cooking right now. You're just gonna eat it. So shut up, brother.
Yeah. Look at
There you
it.
go.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Right here.
Me can't wait for her either. Like that. Eat it.
Oh, let me see.
Yeah, your own sauce. Dig in.
Yeah. My turn. How come no one's holding the camera for me so they can see me?
The pineapple in there.
You taste it, huh?
Yeah, I can taste it.
What do you guys think of the pineapple?
It's good. I like it. It's almost like it's like
I actually balance.
It's like Hawaiian. It's like tropical.
It gave it that refreshing taste
yeah.
to it. Yeah, with the butter.
Oh, man.
So now
Holy crap. Look at this.
Onions.
Hot sauce.
we eat it with onions.
It's finger food. Like
Yeah.
that's yeah.
Ooh.
Can somebody hold the camera so they can see me that I'm eating? Well, okay, fine. No, I guess this guy. This is yum, delish. Hold this. Can you, honey? Hold this. Turn it on me.
Dad,
Okay.
welcome to the family.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Patti.
Yeah, thank you.
Can you see me? Can you see me? Guys.
Oh my goodness.
Good. It's good. I love it. Look at it.
Are you talking to the lobster?
Lobster. Wait, hold on. Let me try again. Sauce. Oh.
Perfectly cooked.
Perfect. That's perfect. Huh? Ooh.
Delicious. Ooh, he said, ooh.
First he said, "Oh, it's not really good," but he likes it. What do you think?
I'm cold.
Guys, this is an unedited live video, so I'm sorry if I offend you or if you're watching and you like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.